Hey everyone, so I go to Dollar Tree a ton and I'm always surprised by some of the items that I'm able to find. Today I'm going to share with you my top 25 hidden gems at Dollar Tree so you can check them out the next time you go. So let's head in. Now, it's no secret Dollar Tree has great seasonal items, but when you see the good items, you need to pick them up. These gold Easter eggs go so fast every year, so even though it's still pretty cold out, I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. These plant labels are such a good deal. You get a pack of 10 and you can use these as food labels, plant labels, or really so many different DIY crafts. One of my favorite things at Dollar Tree is the planters. You can get nice plastic planters like this that have the drainage. You can also come in and get terracotta, so you can get 2 that are in this size, or they do 3 in the smaller size. And then the other thing, you guys, I have used this in so many different crafts. It's like a metal tin. If you see them right now, pick them up because they'll go quickly. Now there's lots of hidden gems in the party supplies. Let me show you the 2 that I think you should grab. These cake toppers are really big size. Like here's the 1, here's the 3. You can use these, put them in your cake, and I think they would make a really big statement. The other thing I love is the latex confetti balloons. When they blow up, they look so nice. You can add them in a grouping with solid color balloons. I've made balloon garlands with these, really love them. Dollar Tree put out on their website that they're getting ready to expand their craft section. It looks like they're getting ready to start. Let me show you some of my favorites. They've had these chalkboard labels for years and I've bought so many of them. These are great to clip onto different containers, and then I love tying these on. You can just use like a chalkboard marker. They work so well. You guys, this is a new hidden gem. This is a brush set where you get 7 different brushes. I think this is a great deal and they look pretty good quality, so I'm definitely grabbing this. If you like Dollar Tree videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. All right, you guys, it finally happened at my store. Prices are at $1.25 now. Let me know if they're at $1.25 at your store. This baker's twine is definitely a hidden gem. I've been able to use this in so many different craft projects. It's also great for wrapping gifts. You guys, I've been looking for this rotary cutter everywhere. I cannot wait to try it. I'm actually really impressed with how well this roller cutter cut through the fabric. It cut easily, it wasn't hard at all, so I would definitely recommend this at Dollar Tree. Now in the office supply section, they have these really cute little pencil cups in blue. There's also a yellow, and then they have this fun little pink rose color. You could use these in your office. You could also use them in your bathroom for makeup storage. They're just really multi-purpose. So you can get the pencil holder. They also have a smaller little dish that you could use for paper clips, or you could use it in your bathroom for rings or little items. You could even line up some lipsticks in there. There's also a little card holder as well that you could use to hold your phone. Now, you guys ask me all the time in the comments what lipstick I'm wearing, and I actually remembered to bring it. What I like about this lipstick is it's an ink crayon, so it's great for wearing masks because it doesn't transfer to your mask. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. I've been loving these lately. I'll link it down in the description box for you. Dry erase magnet clips are the best. I think these dry erase magnets are so cute. I put them on my fridge with my kids' names on them. That way they can put notes or their lunch calendars on the fridge. I also love buying inexpensive hardback books for DIYs. I wanted to customize these books just a little bit, so I'm going to be tea staining the pages. So to do that, you're just going to take any tea bag, it doesn't matter what it is, and then you're just going to put it in some water, and you're just going to rub it along the edges of your book. Next, I'll let that completely dry, and then I'm going to open up the book so that I can paint the outside cover. Now, I wanted them to be kind of a light navy color, and I didn't have that color, so I took two colors I had and mixed them together. I had a blue chalk paint, and I also had ink by Waverly. So I mixed those two paints together, and then I painted the outsides of the books. I went along the edges as well to make sure that I got the edges covered so that when they were shut, it looked nice. When I was at Dollar Tree, I grabbed some of these cool decals that they have. I really love these, and I wanted to put them on the pages of the book. So I cut out some of the designs that I liked, and then to add them to my book, what I did was I held the pages together so that they were really tight together. Then I put the decal down, and then I have this little scraper tool from Cricut, but really you could use anything to put these on, like a gift card or anything to add pressure, and hold the pages together as you're like rubbing the decal on, and make sure you get it completely on before you take off that covering. And I wasn't sure how these were going to turn out, but I think they look really cute. And then I stacked them up in a grouping and love the way they turned out. I love that there's always new candles out at Dollar Tree. These are some of the latest ones. I think they're absolutely adorable, but I'm always finding new ones when I go here. So definitely look in the candle section for different candle holders. They're great for DIYs, or you can put them on their own as well. You guys, new succulents. These are so adorable. Oh my gosh, and they even have like little fun containers on them. Love these. If you see succulents that you like, pick them up. But these are definitely a hidden gem at Dollar Tree. If you guys have watched my channel before, you've probably seen these domes. Well, Dollar Tree has them out in a smaller version, but they're brown at the bottom. So these would be great for a DIY. So I'm going to start by disassembling the bases from the plastic tops. I'm going to spray the bottom halves with an ivory color. Now, if you're wondering where to get spray paint, my favorite brand is Rust-Oleum, and I typically buy it at Walmart. One of my tips when it comes to spray paint is pay attention to the finish that you're buying, not just the color. Do you want it to have a flat, matte appearance, or do you want it to be more glossy? So think about that before you purchase the spray paint. With this one, I went with a more matte finish. So next I'm gonna grab some stems that I had on hand. Now you can grab anything you want. I grabbed these eucalyptus, I'll link them for you down in the description box, and I'm simply going to place them in my dome so that they fit kind of perfectly, and then I'm gonna clip them at the bottom. Now these little bases are really cool because they have this little center thing that's perfect for a stem. So they stuck right inside, I didn't have to glue them or anything, and then I just put the tops on. And I repeated this for the other two domes. Now this is a super simple DIY, but how elegant does this look sitting out on your shelf or in a display? If you have hardwood floors, these are great felt pads for the bottom of your furniture. I use them all throughout my house and they're super affordable here, and you're gonna get a ton in the pack. I've heard really good things about this work light, so I'm gonna get it and try it out. You guys, this work light is pretty cool. So it's pretty simple. There's a light here and you have one up front. All you have is this one push button. So if you press that, this front light is gonna turn on. You press it again, the front light goes on, and then when you press it a third time, it goes off. The other cool thing is it sits up like this, so if you were needing extra light in a space that you were working on, you could just turn it on and you're gonna get light. It also takes 3 AA batteries. So if you're not already following me on TikTok, you should go check it out at Fenwick DIY. I post a lot of Dollar Tree finds and DIYs. Dollar Tree carries charcoal toothpaste. If you love using it, you can get it here really inexpensive. You can save a lot of money buying your flossers here as well. I also love them in the kid colors. If you need to organize your closet or cabinets, these fabric containers are so nice to use. This one has a design on the front. You can get it in pink or blue. And then they also have larger ones as well. I use these in my kids' closet all the time, and they keep coming out with more colors and styles. New hidden gem at Dollar Tree is this black over-the-door hook. I love that it comes in this matte black finish and it's really affordable. The hair accessories section is definitely one that if you haven't been to in a while, you need to check out. Dollar Tree keeps adding in new items that I think look really high end. These claw clips, I have a similar one that I buy off of Amazon that's a lot more expensive, and it comes in a variety of colors. If you love to DIY and find budget-friendly items, you need to be subscribed to my channel. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you check the glassware section because Dollar Tree's always coming out with new glasses. I love how this one has the straw included. It's just a cute little mason jar cup with a lid on it. Oh, spray bottles! They're pink! Oh my gosh, those are new. I love these. You guys, do not buy your spray bottles anywhere but Dollar Tree. They're really affordable. You can get the ones that look like this, but these are a new style as well. The best food storage item at Dollar Tree is this clear container with the purple lid. It has the little pop top here so you can put snacks in it. It's great for your pantry. The other awesome thing about them is you can stack them on top of each other if you need to do that as well. Now I'm also not going to be labeling these because my kids go through snacks like crazy, and whenever they're empty I will just throw them in the dishwasher, and then when I go to the store I can just fill it back up with whatever snack I have. I also think these are great because the kids can see what's in them. You can use these for like your pasta too, or anything else you have. I typically just will use something like this for snacks. So this is Dollar Tree's newest chip clip. It feels really sturdy and I think would work well. let me know down in the comments, what did I miss? What should I pick up the next time I'm at Dollar Tree? And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.